Hey, what's going on, guys? KIM-1 here. In this video I'd like to present an update on my KIM-1 emulator. The JavaScript based one completely runs online on a browser on whatever device basically. So far I had only the desktop version, which was presented before on the channel. I was like demonstrating good old 6502 chess related software on it, like Hexpon written by Bob Lytton, for instance. But here I really wanted to try I was looking for a way to like experience the authentic development experience on KIM-1. And since I don't have a real machine, yes, probably my phone just turned off. Sorry for this. Okay. So since I didn't have really, so yeah, by the time I just would be clicking like the next. It also vibrates. You probably don't hear it, but trust me, it does vibrate. So for now, it would just be navigating through the memory cells one by one, just to keep the screen alive, basically. And just talk a little bit about this. I was looking for an authentic experience on developing software for KIM-1 in 6.502 machine codes. And the major problem with that is that if you don't have a word processor, if you don't have an access to the memory dump, so if only thing that is available for you is just to like use the built-in functions of the KIM-1 itself, then it gets really complicated. But on top of that, the major issue is that on top of that, you can't save your work because it doesn't have an HD, obviously. So, but there was quite a fantastic solution. I need to say I'm really proud of. So I used cookies for the very first time in my life here in order to store the data. So now just probably write a simple program that demonstrates like the very basics of what you can do with this, and then show how exactly this cookies storing helps to actually just hold on a sec. Just how exactly this is gonna be working. Okay, so yeah, just this is my dad's phone that I'm using to show the video. It just rains all of the time, all the messages. Yeah, that's insane. Okay, so if I just go to 0 to 0, 0, where usually the program starts, here it is. And I just want to go to the data mode now. So now here I'm going to be using the data here. So the first 4 digits are the memory address. The second 2 digits is the value at that particular memory address. So if I just say A9, which stands load immediate data to the A register, and let's go into the next cell, and let's say I just want to load the value of AA. Doesn't matter really. And then the next one. And then I want to say 4C, which stands for jump. And I want to jump back to the initial location. So 0002, here I use 02, and that's because the little ending order of the 6.502 architecture. And just go here as well again. So now if I go back to the data mode, just to inspect the program and say 0200, and let's have a look. So loading AA to register A, right? Okay. Then 4C stands for jump to 0002. So if I now run this program, if you just go to the very beginning of the program, 0200, and click run, just the screen is not going to be working because it would find itself in an infinite loop. So you might be wondering, it's not working now, but actually it does. So just to give you an idea how exactly this works, so if I just go back again to 0200, and here I just want to enable the single step in mode. So now here in the single step in mode, I can just say go, and it executes only the first instruction. So it just loaded the value of AA to the A register. And now to make sure that this is definitely the case, I just say 00F3, and in KIM-1 F3 stands for like the machine context they call it. So here is the here we can see the debugging information. So at F3 the value at the A register that is currently is in the memory, so AA there. So far so good. And if I just go back where the program counter is pointing to, so it just points to the next instruction. So if I just run it, it would go back to the beginning of the program, which is exactly the behavior it should like I was kind of looking for. All right, so now I just want to, let me just close the browser, and I just want to open this again. Just to give you an idea that all I've been doing so far, so let's reload this. Let's reload. So everything I've been doing so far has been changed. Just even reload one more time just to make sure. So if you upload, if you accidentally scroll, it still sits there. So I'm going to the addressing mode, and I say 0200, and you see like our code is still there. Yeah, so the code is still there. So I can turn off the phone, reload, restart the browser, whatever, and then just continue developing from this point. So now I actually have everything to write a chess program for it. So not sure how long it takes and whether it's actually possible. Well, definitely it is, but it needs lots of preparations for that. But if I ever manage to do that, I will definitely be happy to share this with you guys. This is from my side. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, and take care.